thing, the value inside the root, that one means the value b square minus 4ac, that is also denoted as d. It is known as discriminant because it determines the number of solutions या the values of x, the nature of x, which type of x will come, this value will decide. How it will decide? I am going to tell you. If d, it means the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. In that case, the equation has equal roots. Equal roots matlab the x will be same. The two values of x will be same in nature, in sign. Like if the answer is coming 2, the second x will also 2. So when the discriminant is equal to 0, only in that case the roots will be equal or the values of x will be equal, same. It will be by solving this and by solving this also. Okay, if the discriminant d or b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it is your less than 0, then there will not be any real root. No real root will be there. Means x will come in the form of some negative values in this. Some negative value means you cannot make under root of it. It will come in negative because less than 0 ka matlab is a negative. So you cannot find the value of x in that case if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. The third condition, when d or b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, in that case we have two distinct root. Two distinct roots ka matlab x will be two different values. It may be 2, it may be minus 3 या minus 2 या something 4, maybe 6, any two values which are different from each other. So these are the conditions for the discriminant. By using discriminant only we can find out in any quadratic equation ki what are the nature of roots. Like I am taking an example, like 3x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. If given in the question without determining the roots, tell the nature of roots. So what will we do? By comparing it, a is your 3, b is your minus 5 and c is minus 2. When you will compare it with the equation, you will write it comparing it by ax square plus bx plus c. When you will compare it with the standard format, you will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 5. Now we will find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Then put the value of b square minus 5 square minus 4, a is 3 and c is minus 2. The square of minus 5 will be 25. Now see, minus and minus multiply, okay, will be plus 4 3 is a 12, 2 is a 24. It will give you 49. 49 is greater than 0. It is fulfilling the third condition. So in that condition, the equation has two real distinct root. So by using this discriminant we can find out the equation can be solved or not. In greater than 0 condition it can be solved only, and in equal to condition it can be solved only. By using this method you will do today few examples and exercise I am giving you, so try it.